Yo, hello guys, welcome to Forex Success. Yeah, okay, as you all know, guys, we do trading, and I'm gonna show you how I traded. You can see from $3 to $30. Yeah, $3 to $30 profit. That's about 1,000%, right? Yeah, that's 1,000% profit using our amazing strategy. So I'm gonna show you, if you want to learn how I did it, how you can also do this with as low as $3 account and grow it to make massive profit for you. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So watch this. This is the amazing strategy that I'm using right now for this trade. So right about now, what I'm gonna do is that I'm expecting the market to go for like probably a retest or a reversal to start, because it has been on a very long bearish movement. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna kick myself off the market. You know these things, guys. Gonna kick myself off the market. So that's a $3 account, and it's gone down to $30 account, and the movement continues. So how do you use the strategy? First of all, I'll show you the parameters. The first, let me just delete them, deleting them right now. And the first indicator for this strategy is a moving average. So I'll select moving average. Yeah, sorry guys. Moving average on period 40, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. The pixel, I'm using 2 pixel, and I'm using the color red. Then I click done. This is the moving average right here. Seems to still be selling, but that's no longer my business, because I'm done with it for the now. Stepping this the trade, I'm done with it for the now. So I'm just gonna wait for another position. Good. The next indicator, which is actually the last indicator, is MACD. Sorry for the sound, guys, the audio of this video. I'm actually not at home while recording this video. Oh my god. So you just bear with me with the sound, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, the MACD, fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9. I'm talking about the parameters here. The apply to close, main 2 pixel blue, signal 2 pixel red, and then you click done. Yep. So these are the indicators you need for this strategy. Oh my goodness. So I closed the trade already. I would have showed you the entry from the 5-minute time frame. This was my entry. Let me mark it out. I'm gonna mark this entry out. It was very perfect entry that I got right here, because I entered this trade right here as soon as the red moving average crossed above the chart and the MACD was just getting below the 0 level. Then I placed this here, and look, I ate it down to this side. But not just that, that's not just what I need to get into that trade. I also check my what's it called, the 1 hour time frame, and saw that the 1 hour time frame for step index was actually going on for retest and coming back down for the downtrend. Though this doji was kind of manipulative, because if I had it was kind of manipulating, because after seeing this, it's actually this doji candle actually sometimes indicates a reversal, but I ignored it though. So this was supposed to hit my stop loss if I had set a stop loss on this trade, but I just left it on an open stop loss, but just monitoring it. So this is actually some kind of manipulation we face right here on derivatives, synthetic trading, synthetic indices. Yeah, that's actually some limitations to price action that you guys must be facing on price action, definitely for synthetic indices, because there are a lot of stop loss hunts, a lot of them. This is a stop loss hunt. This candlesticks, this long wick right here, you should just go and kick off your stop loss and then continue on your direction. I know a lot of you must be facing that issues. Yeah, so that's why I prefer just get into the market, kick out, take what I can actually take, and then continue living my good life. That's it, guys. Life is good, life is good, but guys, just learn this trading. So I show you the strategy. I use it on a 5-minute time frame, and the zoom level, I use it on third zoom level. Yeah, third zoom level. So what I watch out for, if it cross above, it says, you can see cross above MACD below the zero level, time to place a sell. You can see right here again at this point, and again at this point you can see cross above, sell, set your stop loss above the moving average. See that, guys? Very perfect strategy to make money. How do you buy? When it crosses below and the MACD is above the zero level, you go for a buy. Very sweet strategy, guys, to make money. And it's not just on only on step index, it works on all synthetic indices as well as crash and boom. But for synthetic indices like crash and boom, I like using it on starting from 15-minute time frame, because so it can actually apply well and fit into the market structure of the crash and boom. It's just a lot of spikes and all that. So and also love using it on volatilities, 10 index as well. You can see crossing below right here, it indicates a buy. Above and the MACD below the zero level indicates a sell. Guys, start using this strategy. I showed you the parameters, just moving average and a MACD. Take a screenshot of it, of the parameters, so that you can set it on your own. Take a screenshot right now. You click done and take a screenshot. That's it, guys. So drop good comments right here on this video and subscribe to our channel. Check out other strategies from us for crash and boom and other synthetic indices as well. Guys, click on the link below at the description to create an account to start trading synthetic indices for sure. And you can make money on it, guys. It's 24/7, 24 hours, 7 days. The market doesn't close, yeah, and it's only Deriv that has Deriv is the only broker which have what's it called, synthetic indices, which consist of crash and boom, guys. Yeah, so this is Forex Success. Please subscribe to our channel. Let's take our channel to let's take it to 30,000 subscribers, guys. Subscribe to the channel and let's keep growing. Forex Success family will give you strategies for free. Check out amazing strategies, guys. This is one thing I want you guys to do. Okay, a lot of us believe that strategies do something like expire, and then a lot of us, for me, guys, I feel it actually depends on your psychology, your understanding. I really partially, let me say, I partially agree that strategy do expire, but no. The reason I said partially is that, for example, I have been using a strategy. Okay, yes, if you check on our channel, you see a strategy that I posted last year. That is the spike catching strategy, which is I posted it last year. So that strategy, as of then, a lot of people were like, yeah, it's good, I like it, it's making money for me. And then later on, some were not saying it's not working again. And then new people who are watching that strategy for the first time actually watch it, and then they test it. They are like, wow, this strategy is good. So the reason why I'm saying it's actually our psychology is that the moment we start using the strategy, the first time using it, we're actually very careful. Not just that, we are obedient to the rules. But then when we get a few success with the strategy, we feel okay, we are the boss right now, and then we neglect some conditions and not being careful as though the way we started, okay, then we get some losses, and then we're like, oh, the strategy is not working anymore. Truly speaking, I'm saying this from experience, and then a new person come apply the correct concept, the strategy works for them, and then later again they start neglecting the strategy, and then they say it's not working anymore. So I might say it happens like that, but what I will just say, use what works for you. That's just the truth. I use what works for me. Currently now, I'm just using this strategy. This is the strategy I use to trade. It's not like the rest of them are bad. No, the rest of them are good. Like I drop a new strategy for volatility 10 index about today and yesterday. The strategy is good. It's okay. Just use what works for you. The crash 1000 index strategy, which by you just catch 6 candles. A lot of people are using that strategy to make money right now. Why some say it's too risky. Fine. So people love to take risk, simple risk. Yeah. For me, guys, I I will just be truthful that I don't use that strategy often. It doesn't mean to use that strategy often, guys, because I really don't like trading against the spike. For real, I really don't like trading against the spike. So I just go for. In fact, what I love trading. Let me just tell you what I love trading on synthetic indices. You see, step index. This is what I love trading. Step index, volatility 10 index, and volatility 75 index. Why sometimes I trade crash 1000 and crash 500. I hardly trade boom. I hardly trade boom and I hardly trade the rest. So those are what I trade, guys. Guys, please sign up using the link and follow our Telegram. The link is at the description below. Go join our Telegram group, guys. And please, one request on Instagram, guys. Follow us on Instagram. I'm going to be active on Instagram very soon, guys. Where I'll start showing you guys. We'll do live videos together on Instagram. So just start following us on Instagram. I'm actually waiting for you to get to a certain level before I start. Thank you guys for watching. This is Forex Success, and we love you for real, for sure.